DevJeannie offers a convenient way to compare different versions of your Power BI reports using its built-in Diff editor. This feature lets you easily navigate between report versions stored in Satire and visually identify changes in a side-by-side view. For instance, let's say you want to revert to a previous report version that included a pie chart. Any differences will be clearly highlighted. In this case, the pie chart will be highlighted in green, indicating it was added in the selected version. If you decide you want to keep this version, you can apply the selected commit. Now let's see how DevJeannie handles a different type of modification. For example, you've replaced an existing line chart with a bar chart. DevJeannie will highlight this change in yellow. Similarly, the plugin will also highlight in yellow any modifications to a chart's underlying measures, dimensions, or properties.